How to fix the Outlook missing pop-out option. So here I am using the desktop version of Outlook for the Microsoft 365, or in other words, it is the classic version of Outlook. So if you are using the classic version of Outlook, there is a pop-out feature right here. So for example, I have this email right here, and for example, I want to reply to that email. I will have the option to pop out this email right here. So I can just click pop out, and then as you can see, I can go ahead and edit this reply, and then I have my toolbar right here, and then it is available for me to use the different features right here. So if you don't have the pop out feature, this because Microsoft has introduced a update to their Outlook application, and then some people have this trouble. So in my case, I don't really have the trouble, but I've been hearing some people has that problem, and usually it looks like this. So for example, they have this email right here, and then when they press reply, they just have this reading pane, and then they don't have any pop out options right here. And then there are a few ways that you can do to fix that missing pop out feature. So the first way is that you can go to your file, then click options, then go to mail, then from here scroll down, then you should see replies and forwards right here. Once you are here, there is an option right here to open replies and forwards in a new window. So you can turn that on and then click OK. And then when you do that, when you click reply, it should now automatically open in a new tab or in a new window. So in that way, you don't need to press the pop out button anymore if it doesn't show in your Outlook application. Another method is that maybe your Outlook application is not yet updated. So just go ahead and make sure that your Outlook is up to date. So just install the latest update. And another thing is that maybe you don't have the license for Microsoft 365. So because if you don't have the license for the Microsoft 365, Outlook will automatically remove some features, since some of the features right here you can only use if you have the license. So to see if your license has not yet expired, you can go to File, then click Office account right here. Then you should see if you are still subscribed to the Microsoft product license. So if you don't have that yet, just go ahead and update your subscription or change your license to the correct one. And then that is it. So those are the only ways that we can do to fix or have a workaround for the missing pop-out option. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.